Hey, you guys, as I promised, here is my Christmas giveaway. Now, I want to ship this out fast, so I'll put all the rules down below because I want you to get it before Christmas. Let's go ahead and build it together. I have a ton of goodies to give you, and I can't wait for the winner to receive it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below where you're from, where you're showing me love from. I'm from Chicago. Now, the first thing I'm adding is this adorable gift card holder. These are perfect for anybody who you're giving a gift card. You can put it in the little one's stockings. I picked this up at Target at the dollar spot. This will be great for the stockings. Add a little gift card in there, and trust me, they're going to love you. Now you get 3 of them. So this is the first thing that I'll be giving, and I cannot wait for somebody to win this. So I'll be putting this right at the bottom. And make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Trust me, I will find out because I don't want no cheating. I only want this for my adorable and gorgeous subscribers. The next thing I'll be giving is a Too Faced Cocoa Contour. And this is really nice. The colors in here are gorgeous. So I wanted somebody to get this for the holidays because you know how I am. You have to look good. And yeah, I'm going to give at least a week or two on this giveaway. I'll put all the rules down below. So you get this. I want to ship this out like the first week of December so you can get it way before Christmas and all your Christmas shopping. Now look at how gorgeous this palette is. You get 4 shades. So either way, you'll find a shade for yourself and then you get the brush. And that's really, really cute. So how's everyone doing? I hope you guys have a merry, merry, merry Christmas and wonderful holiday with your loved ones and your family. Let's add that in there. The next thing I'll be giving away is this Marc Jacob trio. So you get 3 things in here. This is perfect for the holidays. You're going to get the lipstick, the lip liner, and the lip gloss. So you get all 3 for the holidays. I was going to show you, but I decided not to mess with it. But look at the colors here. It's a nude trio. So either shade, it's going to look great on you. Make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you want extra points. I would be so happy if you did. If you know how it goes, if you find me a subscriber, I'm going to give you an extra point as well. So send anybody my way. I would be happy to have them on my channel. The next thing I'll be giving is a face mask. Now this is a charcoal face mask, portifying. So this is great, especially since winter is here and you know your skin gets dry. So I'm giving 2 of them. I'm also giving the Olive Vera face mask. So that's great for your skin. Let me tell you, you need it, especially since winter is here. You're going to have to stay hydrated, add that extra lotion. The next thing I'll be giving away is this liquid velvet. And this is a, how do you say? It's not a lip gloss. Yeah, it is a lip gloss, but it's really smooth. It goes really velvety on the lips, so it'll keep your lips nice and hydrated as well. I thought that would be great to add to this little giveaway. And then we're just going to build this together and then I'm going to ship it out to the lucky winner. The next thing I'll be adding is this 12-piece felt stickers. I thought these were so adorable. And these are just little Santa hats that you can put on your Christmas cards. You can make a little DIY. It's optional. You can give it away to someone else in their stocking stuffer. The next thing I'm giving out is this ho ho ho. And this is so cute. I picked this up at the Target dollar spot. And this is an ornament. I thought that would be adorable for somebody's Christmas tree. Or you can put it in your 2-tier tray. The next thing I'll be giving away, you've seen these. I actually made a ton of these and I painted them. And these are little Christmas ornaments. And I thought it would be nice if I give you the whole set. That way you could custom make it however you want. And you can even make a little garland. Or you can add hooks at the top, which I'll be giving you, and hang them on your Christmas tree. You can make them into Christmas picks as well and put them into your arrangement. You can do so many things with this, like you won't believe. Have the kids color them. That would be a great project as well. And here are the little hooks for them. So I'm giving you one of each. so you can go ahead and make your own DIY. I thought that would be perfect. The next thing I'm adding, I'm giving away a gift card. Now I'm going to go ahead and give a $10 gift card from Target. I thought that would be a very nice gift for the holidays. So you can go ahead and go to your Target dollar spot or buy whatever you want. It's optional. And I'm going to add that right in the middle. I'm going to close it up. And all I need is a name. So make sure you enter this giveaway. I'm also going to post it on Instagram. If you don't have one, it's totally fine. And I want a YouTuber to win it anyways. You guys, I just want to say thank you for all your support. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm so grateful for this channel. You guys, just thank you. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. And I hope you win. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up and put it away. And I'll probably have the giveaway up for a week or two. I'll link everything down below. I promise, as soon as the rules and everything. And I'll go ahead and post this up. And good luck.